Well, it's the start of another season, the 123rd season of Wyoming Cowboy football.
Today's game, all the people across America, with the exception of these people right here, don't give us much chance. But that's why we play the football game. Somebody's sword's gonna get broken and it dang sure ain't gonna be ours. We belong playing schools like Missouri, and we need to go out there and whip them. And we want you to cheer as loud as you can and go Post! Go
These Wyoming Cowboys and their fans ready to, as they say around here, ride for the brand.
It's picture perfect here in the high country. What else could you want? And we are underway. Bryant lobs to the end zone. This is caught. Missouri scores on their opening drive.
Looks that way and it's complete. It's Scott across the 40-yard line. Scott. Bryant will hand. Roundtree. Touchdown. Tigers.
They're just having their way right now, Carter.
Inside handoff. Oh, there's some room. Trey Smith, his first carry as a Wyoming Cowboy. And he's going to be running outside with it, getting some pretty good yards. That's Swen.
He is going to be something. He has been so impressive as a true freshman.
Takes the inside handoff, guns over the middle, puts it right on the money to Ishmael. Ishmael has a first down, and he'll plow his way to about the 25-yard line. Chambers fakes the give, fires away, finds Everhart. He's inside the 5-yard line with the catch.
Cooper Roth, one of the best college kickers, boots it through.
And the Cowboys are on the board.
Bryant gonna keep it out of the empty set. Bryant design run, and he's shot back, lost the football. It is scooped up and all the way back. Touchdown, Cowboys. C.J. Colden picks up the loose football and turns it into a 31-yard touchdown.
Gives to Balladay. He's got some room. He's got a lot of room. He's on his way home to the 10, the 5. Touchdown, Cowboys.
Big end zone. It is incomplete. And we are even at 17. Chambers keeps it. Chambers finds a shot on the left side. It's wide open in Wyoming again. Touchdown, Cowboys.
That was a fun little run right there. I get the juices flowing up here in the booth. There was nothing little about that run. Yeah, that's a
Bryant on first down. Time over the middle. Completion. Inside the 20-yard line, Scott cuts it back and keeps rolling inside the 10. Open rebound in motion. Bryant looks like he wants to keep it on second and goal. Inside the 5. Field Bryant under center. Bryant hands right. Roundtree lost the football. He's scooped up by Halliburton. And Halliburton is going to go riding for the brand with a stutter step at the 35. With zeros on the clock, boots it through, and Wyoming takes a 10-point lead to the halftime against the Missouri Tigers after a 14-0 start for Mizzou. Bryant stepping up, rolling. Bryant is going to heave it to the back of the end zone. It's intercepted, taken away again by the Cowboy defense.
Goes to Swen. He tries to break a few, and they still don't have it down. Finally. Trey Smith takes it in for the Cowboy touchdown.
Beatty takes it. Beatty is in. Touchdown, Mizzou. Fake it, toss it, complete over the middle. Ishmael makes the grab. Roth boots it through. Wyoming, 3 more on the board. Snap it on first down in a hurry. Bryant to the outside. Nance inside the 30 with Alberto blocking for him. Nance takes it in. Bryant over the middle. Caught. First down, Mizzou.
Bryant under pressure. Down he goes. He's sacked. Josiah Hall, the captain. 3 receivers to the right side of the formation. Scott is out to the left. And Bryant out of the shotgun takes the snap on 4th and 11. Fires! Incomplete! The Cowboys will take over on downs. How about this upset? This is one of the biggest wins ever.
Yeah.
Let's just say it. This is one of the biggest wins ever in Cowboy football history. No getting around it. Time has run out. The Cowboys have won it. The final score. Oh, the score. Wyoming 37. Missouri 31.
Wyoming, go Cowboys!
An all-night celebration begins in Paradise.